On the 28th of May this year, I decided to hide my subscriber count for 1 month to see if it would help me gain new subscribers. And honestly, I am shocked by the results. What's up guys, I'm Joe Evans here to help you grow your YouTube channel. And before I share my results, I just want to briefly explain the theory behind doing this. If you're a small YouTuber, let's say you have under 1,000 subscribers, there's a risk that potential new subscribers won't bother subscribing to you if they see that you have a low sub count. They might write you off thinking that you're not very good, whereas the reality might be just that you're simply new or that you're in a very saturated niche that it takes longer to grow in. At the time of me hiding my subscribers, I had 112 subscribers on this Joe Evans YouTube tips channel. And let's take a look at what my subscriber growth was like before I hid my subscribers. You can see that on the whole, there's a steady flow of new subscribers with these two spikes here. These two spikes happened on the 14th of May and the 20th of May, and they correspond with me sharing two things in Facebook groups. On the 14th of May, I shared two thumbnail ideas for the video I was about to post about promoting your YouTube channel, and this piqued people's interest enough to want to check out my channel and subscribe. On the 20th of May, I shared a Google Doc that I created called Why YouTube Hates You, and this explained why YouTube favours certain channels that are behaving in certain ways. And in that document, I had a link to my channel. Those who read the document ended up finding it very valuable, and they clicked the link and subscribed to my channel. So pretty much the vast majority of my new subscribers were coming from Facebook, and that was working quite well for me. In total, over this period, I gained 82 new subscribers, and there was only one day where I went into minus figures, losing a subscriber. Now, if I change the date range of this report to show the 28th of May to the 27th of June, that'll give me roughly the same amount of days, but during this time my subscriber count was completely hidden. And look at this. For the most part, my subscriber growth completely flattened. On a lot of these days, I gained 0 new subscribers, and there were 2 days where I went into minus figures. There's this one spike here on the 4th of June, which was when I posted another thumbnail comparison to a couple of Facebook groups. But other than that, things really slowed down. In total, during this period, I only gained 31 new subscribers in comparison to the 82 I had gained over the same duration while my subscriber count was visible. That's a subscriber growth decrease of over 60%. Now, the important thing for me to do before I make any conclusions about this is check that there were no major differences between the kind of content I was producing, the consistency of me producing that content, and the frequency of me posting to these Facebook groups. But after checking these things, the alarming thing is that there were no major differences. I was making the same kind of videos about the same content. I believe the quality was exactly the same. I was just as consistent with my uploads, and I posted just as frequently to Facebook groups. So my conclusion from this is that hiding my subscribers did have a huge impact on my subscriber growth, but in the opposite way to what I was expecting. So why on earth would people choose not to subscribe to somebody who is hiding their subscriber count? Based on everything that I've read and seen on this topic, there is one clear reason that this happens, and that is trust, or a lack of trust. People find it really shady when someone hides their subscriber count. To build an audience on YouTube, it is essential that you build trust first. And by hiding something that is usually public information from potential subscribers before they've even subscribed, essentially destroys that trust before it even has a chance to be built. Now, this isn't to say that this will be the case for every channel, but because my channel is an educational one, especially because it's one about YouTube growth, my viewers rightfully expect me to be open, honest, and truthful. So that is why I am going to go into my settings and I am going to proudly turn my subscriber count back on. I hope you found this video helpful, guys. If you did, then I would love you to click that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next video. And if you want to know how to get more subscribers, then watch this video right here, because in it I show you how you can get your first 100 subscribers quite quickly. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you over in this video.